welcome back to Let's Go. We are going yard sailing. I think we hit about 4 or 5 yard sales in this video. Stay tuned. Stick around to the end.
Hello.
Morning, dear. I hear pooper dogs.
Yeah. They want out with their sister. We have lots of stuff to bring out, which is not as early as
That's okay. You guys have any video games or electronics that you're bringing out?
We do not have any video games. I'd say no to that.
Okay.
Now that I'm thinking about it.
That's why we ask.
Okay.
Thank you.
I think it's a little early for me.
No, I got you. We'll grab this bracelet from you.
All right.
My wife will like that.
Thank
you, dear.
very much.
Yeah, very good.
Hi.
The larger muffin tin.
I'll quarter.
Okay, great. All right, and may I just put my things?
Yeah, just a
Thank you.
Who's the Harry Gant fan? Is that you?
here's my father, yeah.
You know what he wants for this stuff?
$20 for the whole box.
20 for the box.
Yeah. And there's a clock in there, there's some shirts.
Yeah, it's a shame that one's ruined.
Oh, yes, everything used.
Oh, the little cutters.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Do you think he'd take 15 for that?
15 for the Harry Gantt stuff? Yeah. Yep.
The only reason I'm doing that is because that one shirt is trash.
Yeah, I seen that. We'll pull that out.
You need singles?
What's that?
So do you need ones by chance?
Yeah.
Somebody bought a dryer for me. They paid me in all ones.
Oh, yeah.
Make sure that's 15 and nothing's stuck.
Yep.
All
Thank
right.
you very much.
Enjoy the plant.
Hi there, how are
Hello. I
you? I don't have a lot of books out.
But we had two
Before you moved, yeah.
Then when we got here, well, a lot of this stuff we replaced.
Right, so you replaced the
Yeah,
fixtures,
and then
yeah.
some things we brought here and it's like we really don't have the space or we just go
Yeah.
with what we want to
Right.
do now. So
Sure, and you
So-
weren't sure till you got here.
that's right.
Till you got
So
here, what you,
this is our third.
and,
said to my
and
mother,
hopefully,
I'm not too proud of that.
hopefully you're last, right?
Yeah, I really don't want
I
to
know.
do this again.
I tell you, I take a lot of stuff to community aid.
Yeah. Well,
Yeah,
and we do too.
Yeah.
We donated quite a bit.
A lot, yeah.
Already.
Well, at least you have it next morning. I was supposed to have my family on Sunday, and I said, nope.
Yeah. Monday.
Well, see, the trouble is with three kids and three families that have other
Yeah.
so the one family couldn't make it Monday. So I
Uh-huh.
said, how about next weekend? So Saturday looks like it'll work if the weather cooperates.
Wow.
So,
Yeah. Yeah, I don't have.
yeah,
I don't
well,
have any books
I
at
figured
all.
I'd walk around. I told her I would walk around.
His mother just gave us these, and I'm like, well, you never know.
Yeah.
Someone might be interested.
Yeah, well, say, yeah.
But Ed sold a lot of books before we moved, from
Yeah.
the ministry, and I had a lot of books because I worked at the library, and then they would withdraw books, and I would just pick them up and bring them home, and
Right.
so
Yeah.
But,
Okay.
yeah.
I mean, she likes, like she
certain
likes
kind.
Nicholas Sparks.
Oh
and-
yeah,
and,
yeah. Well, who doesn't like?
who doesn't like Nicholas Sparks? Well, she likes him. I forget what other authors, but I've given her a review.
He's a good clean writer.
Well, she says if they have any swearing in, I just put them down. I said,
Yeah.
so she might like the Billy Graham one. I'm
Yeah.
not sure.
Hey, those air conditioners work and we can plug them in.
I have the exact one.
You do? Okay. Well, check it out.
Well, that's a new microwave.
Yeah, that was here too. And we had one that was just a little smaller, and I said, no, I don't want to put it on the counter, so. Right.
Yeah, I know. Somebody needs it.
Well, have a good day, Karen.
I'm definitely gonna take these off your hands.
Okay, good. $5.50.
Just debating on the air conditioner.
Well, I mean, we'll plug it in, and
I don't doubt it works.
it's remote control too, which is really.
Yeah, I seen it's the old style remote.
Oh, is it an old one? They updated the remote?
Yeah.
Oh.
No, all the newer ones have like the. I don't even have it. I can show you. I actually got one in the back of my truck now.
Oh, that's all right. Yeah, I don't, you know,
Are you flexible on the price?
I don't know. I have to get my husband. It's his deal. Let me get him.
Okay.
Yeah.
How flexible you are on the price on you? The
Which
Frigidaire.
one? This one.
Yeah, I don't want.
I'll go, I'll give it to you for 30 if you take it. That's the lowest I can go.
because it has a lot of features, and this thing,
I have the exact same one. I'm very familiar with that one.
this one here was used very lightly, I can assure you. We had it in storage for like 10 years, but I brought it out and checked it the other day, and it's working and everything, and it's a nice unit, really.
Yeah, I'll take it off your hands. You got change by chance?
She does probably, yeah.
Oh, what'd you need?
I need a 10.
Selling it for 30.
Yep.
Okay.
You got any more ammo?
Nope, that's it. That's all I have.
There you go, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, let me go over
I
my
hope you
truck.
enjoy it.
Thank you.
Yeah.
All right, guys, and we're back. That's a decent haul, not too bad. Not a ton of stuff. This one was that Harry Gant one. So I tried to beat him up a little bit because some of these shirts are.
They're white, we expect.
Yeah, and the sad part is, it looks new.
The graphics look good, but just white sitting around just gets dingy.
It gets dingy, and like it's got all kinds of doodles, and I hate to wash it because then it doesn't look right. This one I think was good, if I remember right.
That looks yellowed.
It looks a little yellow, but this one actually has the dates from '94, so this one should do pretty good. This one has major staining on it.
Oh my! Looks like
I don't even know if Oxy will take that out. But
what?
Yeah, I mean it's got a ton of stuff in here. I figure for $15, some of this stuff I'll probably actually just send to
Auction.
the one auction that we go to, because like NASCAR memorabilia stuff does really well at that auction.
The hillbilly auction.
Yeah, the first one you saw was Jen's bracelet. She obviously has that over there already. And then this one, and then this is what I picked up. I don't know if the camera picked it up. It's 308 shells. There's like 2 or 3, I think, that are out of it. Other than that, it's good to go. And we all know about this one.
Controversy.
Yeah, that's the second one I picked up. And paid 50 cents for that. Paid $5 for that. And then you saw me get the air conditioner. That was an 8,000 BTU. I don't remember the brand of it, but it's a major brand for $30. So I will resell that. I probably won't keep that one. I'll just wait for August, and then when it's nice and hot, people are gonna want air conditioners. I'll probably get 150 of that easy.
Unlike today, where it's cold and dreary.
Yeah, when I picked that up, it was like 90 degrees, and today is like 50s.
Welcome to Pennsylvania.
Yeah, move to PA, have fun.
They say.
Have all 4 seasons in 1 month.
1 month, hell, 1 week.
Yeah. But that's it from those yard sales. I did get a couple other yard sale stuff. I just want to show you guys. It's really cool stuff. They were playing music in the background. Sony Dream Machine. She wanted $1 for it. Same yard sale. She had these Tupperware cups. Everybody knows I like Tupperware cups.
Oh, I like those.
Quarter piece. She did not have the salt shaker, but at a quarter piece, can't go wrong. And then some Slayer goodness and Alice in Chains. 50 cents a piece.
I'll believe you.
Yeah. And then, nope, that's going to be on another video because we actually saw that. Oh, this is the one that I did not record like a dum-dum.
Who told you to record everything?
Yep. So it's a kind of cool Minolta. They told me that this thing, there's an issue with it. So I'm going to sell that for parts, but I'm going to take the lens off of it. There's one lens there, one lens there. And then this monstrosity, it's a big one. I haven't looked up comps on them yet, but I can't imagine that, something like that is cheap.
No.
Most of them are. And there's like a whole bunch of stuff in there. We kind of went back and forth in price a little bit, not too much, but I got everything for $15. I'm not going to complain at all. I got that, and there was a weed eater blade, a metal one. These are hard to get nowadays. And then there was one other piece I got. It was something small. I don't know what it was. But yeah, definitely a pretty good day. So I think I spent what, 60, 70 bucks. I know that 2 of these shirts I'll get at least 40 a piece for. Everything else is going to be profit. So, pretty good haul, that's for sure. All right, guys. Thanks for joining us. See you on the next one.